This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Trey Decker. Unique 1-bedroom 2-bathroom house located in the Ocean View beach area of Norfolk. Property features an office, open concept floor plan, first level garage, large main deck with several other small balcony and deck areas, laundry connections in the garage, large soaking tub and upstairs bath, walking distance to the beach, conveniently located near military bases and interstates. For more information, review the details below.